Hello everyone, myself Mr. Valmik Danpure and this is my channel Education Tech TVR. If you like this video, then please press the bell icon and subscribe my channel to get the more videos. Now see, today we are going to study the ratio and proportion under the exercise B. See, exercise B we are going to study. Now here in this exercise we have to given the first question. The first question is given. See now, check whether the following quantities form a proportion or not. We have to find that this is in proportion or not. When it is in proportion, okay, when it is in proportion, it must have the product of mean term is equal to product of extreme term. So get understood what mean by the mean term. Mean term means which are the middle term. The middle terms are known as the mean term, and extreme term means, see, the last term, okay, which are on the its last side or on its both end, that are called as the extreme term. So their product should be the same. Okay, so here we will see the question number first. In question first we have to given that 3x, 7x, 24 and 56. If these are in proportion, it must have the product of mean term. Mean term means 7x multiplied by 24 and 3x and 56. Their multiplication should be the same. Here I am writing here. See now, I have written here the mean term. I have written 3x plus 3. Sorry, first I have written the extreme term. You can write the first extreme or you can write first mean, either or. Okay, so 3x multiplied by 56, 3x multiplied by 56. Then I have written 7x multiplied by 24. See, so their multiplication should be the same. 3x, 3 into 56, okay, 3 into 56, it will be the 168 into x, which will be the 168x, 168x. And see this side, 7 into 24, 24 7s are 168, okay, multiply by x, so 168x. So we got the both the sides equal. 168x is equal to 168x. So we can say that which is true. Hence 3x, 7x, 3x, 7x, 24 and 56 are in proportion. We can say that this is in proportion. So same way we can see the second question also. Here we are to given the second one. 0.8, 3, 2.4 and 9 are in proportion. Okay, we have to consider it is in proportion. If their mean term and extreme term multiplication should be the same, these two multiply and these two multiply. So I have written first this extreme term multiply first. 0.8 multiply by 9, 0.8 multiply by 9, then 3 multiply by 2.4, 3 multiply by 2.4, and I have taken their multiplication. 8 9s are 74, one decimal. 9 8s are 72, one decimal, and 24 3s are 72, one decimal. So 7.2, 7.2, both the sides it have the same answer, 7.2, 7.2. So which is true? Which is true? That means hence the given quantities are in proportion. Okay, the given quantities are in proportion. Okay, see here. Got it now? Now, so another one example which is depend on the mixed fraction. We will see. See, 1 integer 1 upon 2, 3 integer 1 upon 4, 4 integer 1 upon 2, 9 integer 3 upon 4. Okay, are in proportion. We have to find that this is in proportion. So we will consider this is in proportion. first convert which the extreme one. Okay, we will take the multiplication of the extreme. 1 integer 1 upon 2 multiply by 9 integer 3 upon 4. 1 integer 1 upon 2 is equal to, then we will take the multiplication of the mean term. 3 integer 1 upon 4 into 4 integer 1 upon 2. Then convert it. Okay, then convert it. I have converted here. See, 1 integer 1 upon 2 I have converted it into the 3 upon 2, because 2 1 the 2, 2 1 the 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 upon 2, because you have studied this conversion in the 5th and 6th class only. Okay, then 9 integer 3 upon 4, 9 4 is 36 plus 3 39. See, I have converted it here. Then this conversion I have written here. 3 integer 1 upon 4, it will be 13 upon 4. Then 4 integer 1 upon 2, I have written the conversion 9 upon 2. Okay, then multiply the right hand side and left hand side. So which will be the 2 4 the 8. So I have written 8 here. 4 2 the 8. I have written 8 here. Then 39 into 3, which will be the 117, and 13 into 9, which will be the 117. So we got the both the sides equal. 117 upon 8, 117 upon 8, which is true. So we can say that it is in proportion. What we can say? So the given quantities are in proportion. Okay, now same here, the remaining question are the same, so you can write the answers for the given remaining questions. Okay, see, now you can pause the video and you can write the answer. Okay, whenever you have to write the answer, you can pause the video and write the answer. Then see, we will see some different questions. Find the fourth proportional of. We have to find the fourth proportional. We have to given here the 3 quantities. See, in each case we have to given here only the 3 quantities. We have to find the fourth one. Okay, so we have to not given the fourth one. So I will take the first one then. First example, fourth proportional. Okay, we have whenever we have to find the fourth proportional. So fourth proportional to 3 12, 3 12 and 4. Fourth proportional is 3 12 and 4. So how to find? Whenever you have to find the fourth proportional, at that time there is a formula. Okay, for fourth proportional there is a formula: multiplication of the middle term divided by the, or otherwise fourth proportional, whenever you have to find, take the multiplication of the middle one, 12 into 4, which I have taken here, and divide by that given one quantity, 12 into 4 divided by 3. So here we can cut the numbers. 3 1 the 3 4 the, so 4 into 4. Okay, 4 into 4, it will be the 16. So we got the fourth proportional will be the 16. Okay, then see the another one, fourth proportional. So here also we will take the 5 9 5 9 45, and fourth one, suppose x, we can consider the x. So x is equal to, take the multiplication of this middle one, 9, which I have taken here, multiply and divide by this first one. So I have divided here. So we can get the answer then. 5 1 the 5 9 the, then 9 into 9, it will be the 81. 9 into 9, it will be the 81. So that means fourth proportional will be the 81. Okay, then see another one example, which is somewhat different. I am taking here the fourth proportional. Here I have taken fourth proportional to 1 upon 3, 2 upon 5 and 8.4. Okay, we have to find that. Okay, or you can, if you want, you can write it is as a x. So here you can write, or you can write it in the sentence also. So x is equal to, we have to take the multiply of this middle one, which I have written here, middle one multiply, then divide by first quantity, which I have divided here, then see, do the conversion or write it properly. 2 upon 5, I have written the first 2 upon 5, then multiply by 8.4, then 1 upon 3, take a reciprocal, which will be the 3 upon 1 upon 3, it will be the 3 upon 1. Okay, then so here what we can do, we can eliminate this decimal point in 8.4. So to eliminate the decimal point, we have to write, we will write here the 84. Okay, here we will write the 84, and at the denominator same way we will multiply by the 10. So 2 into 84 into 3 divided by 5 into 10 into 1. So this calculation we will do. Okay, after doing this calculation, or we can do the another some calculations here. 2 1 ja, 2 5 ja, this 5 into 5, 5 5 are 25, then 84 into 3, it will be the 252, then divide 252 by 25. I have divided these two numbers, 252 divided by 25, so the answer will be the 10.08, the 10.08. Got it now? Now another one problem is there where we want to conversion of the unit. Keep it in mind, when units are not same, we have to convert it in the same unit. Fourth proportional we have not given, so 4 proportional to 4 hours 40 minute, then 1 hour 10 minute, then 16 hours. So fourth proportional is not given, so what we can do, so we can take it is as a x if we required, or we can write it is in the sentence only. What we will write, fourth proportional, I have written it here, or you can, instead of this we can write here x also. Okay, then 4 hour 40 minute means, convert it, 4 hour 40 minutes means 4 hours means 4 into 60, because 1 hour consists of 60 minutes, so 4 multiplied by 60. See, I have multiplied here, 4 multiplied by 60 plus 40, so it will be the how many minutes, 280 minutes. Then 1 hour 10 minutes, 1 hour means 60 minutes plus 10 minutes, so it will be the 70 minutes. Then 16 hours, 16 multiplied by 60, so 960 minutes, 960 minutes. So we got these three quantities. Okay, 1 2 3, these three quantities we got. Now we have to find the fourth one. So fourth we have taken, I have written here fourth proportional, or you can write as a x also. X is equal to multiplication of the middle term, multiplication of the middle term, divide by the first term, divide by first term. So after doing the calculation, what we can get, so I got here, I have done some calculations. Okay, or you can also do this, 0 get cancel, the 0 get, okay, again I am doing the 0 and the 0 get cancelled, or otherwise you can cancel these two 0 also. This 0 will go with this 0, then 7 1 the 7 4 the, so what is remain then, 960 divided by 4, so 4 1 the 4 24 the, so 240. How much? 240. So how many minutes? 240 minutes. 240 minutes means divide by that 240 minutes, so we will get the answer. Okay, 240 divided by 60, so after doing the division, 240 divided by 60, so 4 hours. Okay, 4 hours means which will be the fourth proportional. What we got the fourth proportional? So it will be the 4 hours. Got it now? Then we will see the question number 3. Find the third proportional. Find the third proportional. Okay, third proportional, whenever we have to not given, see, we know that the basic formula is there. What is the basic formula? Product of mean term. Okay, product of mean term is equal to product of extreme term. Product of extreme term. This is the basic formula. This is basic formula. Now here we will find the third proportional. In that we will see the first one, 27 and 9. 27 and 9. The third proportional to 27 and 9. Whenever you have to find the fourth proportional of 27 and 9, see now what we have to given. Whenever only we have to given only two terms are given, at that time take the multiplication, take the square of the this second one number, okay, divide by first one. So I have taken here square of second number, okay, square of second number, which will be the 9 into 9 divided by first one. 9 into 9, it will be the 81. 81 upon 27, so the answer will be the 3. So we got the answer 3 here. Then here also third proportional we have to find. Third proportional to 2 meter 40 centimeter, 40 and 40 centimeter. So here convert it, or we can write the conversion I have written here. 2 meter and 40 centimeter means 240 centimeter, and second one 40 centimeter. What I have already told you, whenever you have to find the third proportional, at that time you have to take the square of the second term, which I have written here. 40 multiplied by 40 divided by first term, so 40 into 40 divided by first one. 40 into 40, it will be the 1600 divided by 240 divided by 240. Okay, so after doing the calculations, so I have done here the sum calculation. So it will be the 3s are 20s are, that means 20 upon 3. How much? 20 upon 3, which I have written here. Then 20 upon 3, this is the improper fraction, so convert it into the mixed fraction. Got it now? Then we will see the another one problem. Okay, find the mean proportional between. Find the mean proportional. Okay, how to find the mean proportional? It is very easy. We have to given here some questions, so I will take the two questions from that. So first one I have taken mean proportional between 16 and 4. Mean proportional between 16 and 4. Whenever you have to find the mean proportional, so it is very easy formula. Is equal to mean proportional is equal to into surd. Okay, into surd, multiplication of that given two terms, 16 into 4. 16 into 4, so it will be the multiply 16 into 4, it will be the 64. It is only in the inside the surd. So square root of 64, so it will be the, how much is the square root of 64? 8. Square root of 64 is 8. Then see another one, mean proportional between 0.6 and 9.6. so first is equal to mean proportional between these two numbers is equal to into surd or into under root 0.6 multiplied by 9.6. 0.6 multiplied by 9.6. I have removed this decimal point, so that's why I have written here the 6 upon 10 and 96 upon 10. Then this multiply 6 into 96, which will be the 576. 10 into 10, it will be the 100. 576 upon 10. So after taking the square root, I got the answer. 576 is the square of 24 and 100 is the square of 10. So I have written here 24 upon 10. 24 upon 10 means which will be the 2.4 is the answer. 2.4 is the answer. Got it now? Now after that we will see the another one problem. Show that 2, 12 and 72 are in continued proportion. 2, 12 and 72 are in continued proportion. So three numbers, when we can say these are in continued proportion, we will take that three numbers are in continued proportion. Okay, when the three numbers are in continued proportion, at that time what we can say, see now we are solving this question, pay attention here, because some children are many times distracting when I am explaining the problem. So see here, I am explaining the question number 8. Show these three numbers are in continued proportion. So when three numbers are in continued proportion, we can say that A has to B is equal to B has to C, or A has to B has to B has to C. So I have written it here. So the numbers are in the given numbers are, see I have written here the given numbers are 2, 12 and 72. 2, 12 and 72. So A upon B will be the 2 upon 12. I have written here 2 upon 12. 2 upon 12 means 1 upon 6. 2 1s are 2 6s are, so it will be the how much, 1 upon 6 I got. Then B has to C. B has to C means 12 upon 72. 12 upon 70. Again divide. 12 1s are 6s are, so again it will be the same 1 upon 6. So we got 1 upon 6, 1 upon 6 both equal. Okay, we got the same. So we can say that, we can state that, see A upon B is equal to B upon C. A upon B is equal to B upon C. That means A has to B is equal to B has to C. It states that therefore these numbers are in continued proportion. Okay, thank you.